Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This morning I got a 09 Dodge Charger. Gonna be doing a power steering pump and a high pressure line. Change out the pulley as well because the pulley did break on them. Show you what we got. That's the power steering pump there. The pulley broken. There's a piece of it down here. This is our new pump. Part number. High pressure line. Part number. Let's get it. First thing we want to do is remove the air box. Get that out the way. Got an 8mm, or you can use a flathead. Remove that sensor there. Hose. Air box out. Got a mess down here. Power steering pump. 3 bolts holding it. High pressure line. Return line. Let's go ahead and get this undone, man. Alright, got that off. Now these two are 13s. And the one at the bottom is going to be a 10mm. So now we can get to that bolt right there. Loosen up that high pressure line. It's going to be too hard to get it like that. So we flip it upside down and hit it. Alright, once you got that off, work on that return line. This clamp off there. Alright, that's the pump out. Now we got that return line. Gotta get that on up out of there. Swap it and put it on a new one. Change out the gaskets. And so we won't need to take that pulley off with the toolkit. But we're gonna need that toolkit to put the pulley back on. So yeah. And that's that toolkit right there. 27031. Alright, in order to get that out, we got the T30. Pull it out, we got a gasket on there. We'll change that out before we put it in here. We got gaskets there. New gasket in. Alright, next I'm gonna work on this high pressure line. Okay, so our line, you see it's going down, connected to the frame here. Go around, I'm gonna go ahead and follow it and take off the other end to jack up the car. Alright, we got that bolt out, 10mm. I'll show you where the other bolt is. Let me get up under here. These two lines are the pressure lines. I already took out the 10mm bolt that's holding that. And you can see it's connected there. We're gonna be replacing both lines because it's needed, but it only needed one. The client told me he needed one, but I need both of them. Hit those bolts. It's coming right out. And that's the other line. You can see that. Alright, we got both lines out. Alright, we got them out. I'm waiting on the other line to get here. But it's the brand new one. Got gaskets. Wanna replace those. Put them there on both ends. And And that's what that looked like for the gaskets. And reverse order. And that's the hole right here. High pressure. And the other line. And that is the second line, part number 80597. And we got our new gasket on there. Everything matching up. Go ahead and remove this one, put it over here. And we in there, both lines. Got the other end tightened down, got the bolt in there. I don't know if I told you, these are 18 millimeter. I used the wrench to get that out and put them back in. I come to find out I got to replace this power steering cooler. That's the part number. We got our new pulley, part number. Now we're gonna get our tool kit. Alright, we're gonna have to use this one here to push that on there. I'll show you how. Alright, set up like that. You want that thread, like it's two different threads you can pick. This is a smaller one. I use the bigger one. And screwed it down until I couldn't screw it anymore. And now this part right here is supposed to push it down. Alright. We hold this in and turn this one. Alright, see how we got it? We got a 18 on that, and then we got a 14 holding that top bolt, and then we just turn it clockwise, and that thing is going down. Get it flush. That's it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install that high pressure line before we hook this up. Alright, so we in there now. We just need to go ahead and mount these bolts back in. The power steering pump. Put that hose back on.